going on, man? I'm here trying to do some shit. I don't know what the fuck going on with my life or what I got going on, but I just got inspired a little bit. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna have vocals playing over whatever video that you see, the video movements or whatever, the fuck how I feel. This ain't necessarily on beat or no shit like that, but you know what I mean? That's how I'm gonna have it going. So try to get this going for this long, like this and like that.